I picked up this Monport GP 50 off eBay. I was able to save a few $100s from buying it on the website. It also came with a rotary tool check. I was pretty impressed with the packaging. The corners were gusseted. There's a box inside a box, all foam enclosed. Came with some good sample parts to test on. Scale metal ruler that I use for height adjustment, getting it in focus. Tourney cap with this bolt supposed to go into the top of this tower. The threaded rod that has flats on the sides for the tourney cap does not have any threads inside of it. It is smooth bore. So I'm gonna have to run a tap through it. That's cool. The tower attaches to the base, but you can rotate it 90 degrees, which I've done, to get the laser galvo head turned away from the base so that I can etch onto taller objects. This has worked out well for when I've maxed out the height. For now, I've only got the 200mm lens, which needs about 400mm of height to clear, to focus. If I were to get a smaller one, like a 150 or a 75, then I can do taller objects without having to rotate the tower. I've had now about a month, and I've done quite a few different pieces with it. Usually just have to have one test sample to get the settings dialed in right. After that, it's just figuring out designs and what I want the end product to be.